All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Yount Chinook Season Seed Holder and Ring Toss Gill. Our mini spots have been filled in with Alan and Scotty. Check the time, June 3rd at 8:25 p.m. We're going to go over to the main and type live. We've got June 3rd at 8:25 p.m. There is the list of our 9 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Scott. Spot 7 is your winner. So, Scott, please message me to collect your Yount and Gill. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, June 3rd, 8:26 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.